Hey friends, today we're going to draw a churro.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our markers to draw with, so we also have marker paper to draw on. But you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom, like colored pencils or even crayons. Let's start by drawing 2 lines right down the middle of our paper. I'm going to start up here and pull the line towards me. We're going to draw a really long churro. That's the best kind.
Yeah.
Especially when you get the churro all to yourself.
Yeah.
You don't have to share it.
Yep.
Well, sharing's okay too. Now we're going to draw another line right next to it. Oh, my churro is kind of thick. Especially at the top. It's a little thicker at the top. That's okay, right?
Yes.
There's no mistakes. The
mistakes.
Yeah, the most important thing is
To have fun.
Yeah, and to
Practice.
Practice, yeah. Well, I like how tall you went all the way to the top of the paper.
Yeah.
I'm going to go a little taller too. Okay, now at the top, let's draw bumps like this. We're going to draw a bumpy line connecting to the other side, and also down here at the bottom, we'll draw bumps going this way to connect. Now at the top, let's also add another row of bumps behind it because it's 3D. They're round.
Yeah.
Or cylinder shaped. Yeah. What else do you usually get when you order a churro?
The paper.
Yeah, a little wrapper so you don't get the sugar on your hands. But it doesn't really stop the sugar from getting on your hands.
Yeah, it gets all over.
Yeah, we're going to draw a line there and also a line down here. I kind of curved it to make it look more round. And then we could also draw another diagonal line coming across like this. This can be the wrapper that's connecting or wrapping around. All right, what's our churro missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, to add a funny face. You could also leave the funny face off. I'm gonna draw a circle and another circle. We're going to draw it on the wrapper, but you could also add it up here on the churro. And you could also change your funny face. You could make the eyes different, or they could be closed, or maybe even angry.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why the churro would be mad.
Just doesn't want to get eaten.
Okay. Then I'm going to draw a smile. And also, what else? I'm going to draw the mouth open.
I'm going to do a tongue.
Yeah, and the tongue inside. Oh, and teeth. There we go. Oh, and then I'm going to color in the back of the mouth. Oh, I like your tongue. That's awesome.
It's like he's licking his lips.
Yeah.
All the sugar.
All the sugar. Now we finished our drawing, but we're not completely done.
Still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our churros, and yours is my favorite.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
What else could our friends add to their drawings?
You can add another churro.
That would make it perfect. Yeah, your churro would have a buddy.
Yep.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You could also even add a background, which would be really cool too.
Yeah, like a roller coaster, a theme park.
Oh, yes, that's one of my favorite places to buy one of these.
Yep. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a churro with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.